Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's Uju. How are you doing? I hope you are doing great. So in today's video I would like to share how I make assorted meat stew, perfect for Christmas lunch. These are my ingredients. I have some cow leg and cow skin. I have some beef. I'll be using some tomatoes and bell peppers, some onions, some spices. I have some crayfish, habanero peppers, seasoning cubes, some salt, vegetable oil, curry leaves. This is my secret ingredient. So in a pot, I'm using pressure pot, I transferred the cow leg and cow skin. Okay, I seasoned with salt and some seasoning cubes. So I'm going to add enough water to cook the meat. Okay, yes, and then stirred properly to combine. Okay, so I'm going to cover and cook for 45 minutes. Okay, so this is after 45 minutes it's cooked. I set it aside. I did the same with the beef and also set it aside. Okay, so I washed my tomatoes and bell peppers, sliced them open and blend. Okay, so I transferred the blended mixture to a pot and I'm going to cook until it dries up the water. Okay, the excess water. Yeah, so this is my blended tomato and pepper all dried up. I set it aside as well. So in a dry pot I transferred some vegetable oil. I'm going to gently add in my cooked cow leg and cow skin. Yes, I want to fry them briefly. Okay, we're not frying them so much, just to have that bit of texture. Okay, yeah, so I fried them properly. Okay, stirred. Yeah, I kept stirring so that it doesn't burn, and then took them out once it turned golden brown. Okay, yeah, so I also added the beef and did same as well. Okay, yeah, I took them out once it's golden brown. Okay, yeah, we want to achieve a bit of texture. Yeah, it's nice. So in a big enough pot I transferred the oil used in frying the meats. Okay, added some onions and I'm going to saute this onion for like 3 to 5 minutes. Yeah, until it becomes translucent. Okay, we want it to release some juice, some yummy juice. So I went ahead and added some salt, some thyme, some curry powder. Yes, I'm going to stir them, fry them a bit for like, let me say 3 to 5 minutes as well, so as to release its flavor. Okay, so after that I went ahead and added my blended tomato and peppers. Yes, so we're going to fry it properly, like for like 10 minutes. Yeah, I think I fried it for 10 minutes. So this is after 10 minutes. I added some grounded nutmeg. I added my chicken powder. I added the blended habanero pepper and the crayfish, and I stirred properly to combine. Okay, and fried for more 3 minutes. So this is after 3 minutes. So I went ahead and added the cooked cow skin, beef and the pomo. Okay, so I added them and stirred properly. So at this point I want the sauce to marry the beef and the meat will marry the sauce. Like, you get what I mean, right? I covered them to wed. So this has been frying for about 5 minutes. I added the blended ginger and garlic. I added some basil leaves and stirred to combine. Okay, so to loosen up the texture, I added the meat stock. Okay, the stew was so thick, so I needed to loosen it up a bit. So I added the meat stock. I'm going to stir properly, yes, and allow to fry for 7 more minutes. So this is after 7 minutes now. Guys, look at that stew. Oh my god, it looks so yummy. I tasted it and I noticed that it lacked some seasoning cubes, so I added some seasoning cubes, and I'm going to cover it to fry more for like 5 more minutes. Okay, so this is after 5 minutes, guys. Like, the stew is properly fried. It is time for our secret ingredient. I added my curry leaves. These curry leaves took this stew from 0 to 100. Like, at this point my kitchen smells so nice, so yummy, and super flavorful. If you like this recipe, do not forget to give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel if you've not. Turn on your notification bell so as not to miss an upload. Guys, I enjoyed this stew with rice, yeah, Sunday rice, and my family enjoyed it as well. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you again in my next video. Bye guys.